We have here a 1996 Toyota Tercel, and I'm going to be showing you how to install an aftermarket tack. As you can see, there's no tack in the cluster, but this is a manual. Now if you look on YouTube on how to install a tack on a Tercel, you're going to find people running wires through the door jambs or down into the fuse box, but I'm going to show you the much cleaner way to do it. I ran my wires through the cover there. If you have a clock, you can drill a hole in the dash or run them over here on this side if that's where you want to put it. But every wire you need is right here behind the cluster, already fused, ready to go. Even the signal for the tachometer, even though I don't have a factory tack. So put your indicators down here. You're gonna have to pull out that top screw and unplug your defrost, and that'll slide out of the way. Then you've got 3 screws holding the cluster in. It helps if you disconnect the speedometer cable from the transmission, give you a little more room to pull it back here. Then you can reach behind, grab the 2 tabs and pop the speedometer cable off. Then once you've done that, you've got plenty of room with the wiring harness to pull the cluster out. So as you can see, I've already ran my wires for the tack. You've got your red power, black ground, white is for illumination, and green is your signal. So here on this 1996 Tercel, everything you need is right here on this brown connector. You can see I just added some quick splices in and did it the easy way. Really all you need to do this is a screwdriver and some quick splices and some way of getting your tack mounted. So right here we got the white wire illumination that goes to light green. That would be pin 11 on this connector. Moving over, we've got pin 8 is your ground going to the black wire. We've got pin 3, that's your ignition power, and your signal, the green wire, is pin 10 over here, and that is your black with a blue stripe. And that's all you need. All your wires right there, done, ready to go. Tack installed. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.